If you love your job and you are comfortable with your pay, then this may not be for you. But if you are sick and tired of them long 9 to 5 days or nights, then this is for you. Definitely. I know you keep hearing the phrase passive income, and you want to be a part of it all, but you just don't know how. Until now. People say, I've been searching high and low, looking for the right job, and hate my job and just want to work from home. And I hear that it's free training, and I was just wondering, is it going to give me the financial freedom that I deserve and want, and the passive income? And is it even real? Hell yeah, it is. We all know that corporate America can be very stressful. Working all those hours and no real compensation for the time you traded in for your low pay. Minimum monetary. It's time to break out of the cubicle prison and jump right into the good life. It's time for you to live life free, as you please, passively. Work for nobody else but you. That's right. All you got to do is take a chance. Click that link and let's dance. The ball is now in your hands.